How to find security settings on Shopify easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on Shopify. First just open your browser, and now once you're here, just click on your profile here in the top corner and then click manage accounts, and here we'll find your account general settings. Now just go to security here, and as you see here you can manage password and secondary email, and then two steps authentication, and that's it. Devices, and then just manage anything you want here, and then just go back. It will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.